In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on Wix. Whether you're building a brand new website or simply updating an existing one, knowing how to edit your text effectively is one of the most important skills you'll need. Wix makes this process simple and intuitive, so you don't need to be a tech expert to make your website look polished and professional. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident making all the text changes you need, from adjusting the font style to tweaking the alignment. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open the Wix website and log into your account. You can do this by going to the Wix homepage and entering your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all the websites you've created or are managing. If you're not seeing your sites right away, don't worry, just look for the My Sites link at the top of the page. Next, navigate to the specific site you want to edit. You'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the title of the site that you'd like to work on. This will open the Wix Editor where all the design and customization magic happens. It might take a few seconds to load depending on your internet connection, so sit tight. Once you're in the editor, locate the text you want to edit on your web page. This might be a headline, a paragraph, or even a small caption underneath an image. Take a moment to scroll through your site and find the exact text box you'd like to change. If you're editing a long page, it can be helpful to zoom out slightly or use the navigation tools in the editor to jump to the right section. When you've found the text you want to adjust, move your cursor over the specific text box. You'll notice that the text box becomes highlighted as you hover over it. Now here's the part to remember. Double-click on the text box. This action tells Wix that you want to focus on this particular area and make changes. After double-clicking, you'll see an Edit Text button appear directly on your screen. Go ahead and click on that button. This will open a rich text editor panel, which is where you'll make all of your changes. The rich text editor is essentially a toolbox for customizing your text. You can change the font size to make your text stand out, alter the color to match your branding, or modify the alignment to adjust how the text sits on the page. Want to add some emphasis? Use the bold or italic options to make key points pop. Wix gives you a lot of flexibility here, so don't be afraid to experiment. Once you've made the changes you wanted, it's always a good idea to review your work. At the top of the Wix editor, you'll notice a preview button. Click on this, and you'll be able to see how your changes will look on the live version of your site. This is a great opportunity to check things like spacing, readability, and overall design flow. If something doesn't look quite right, simply return to the editor and make adjustments. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to make your changes live. To do this, click on the Publish button, which is located in the upper right corner of the editor. Once you've clicked Publish, your website will update, and anyone visiting your site will see the new text changes immediately. Congratulations! You've successfully edited text on your Wix site. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you'll be able to edit your text quickly and easily whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.